Step 4 is adding scripts to your page. Remember, properties define how things look, but scripts define how things act. You might think of a script in the context of a movie or a play, where the script is a set of instructions to the actors that tell them what lines to say and where and how to move. Just like in that example, scripts in WHAM tell the program what to do. Each script in WHAM is a command that you give the program. These scripts can perform a variety of actions. They can play a sound, they can play a movie, they can change an image, they can move an object on the page or hide an object. There are over 100 different commands that you can give the program using scripts. Keep in mind that when you're using scripts, you have to tell the computer when you want these commands to be run. If we think about our example of a script for a play or a movie, this would be like the actor's cue that tells them when to speak their lines. In WHAM, we call these cues triggers, and every script requires a trigger that tells the program when to run it. Let's look at a button. Let's tap on our button to open its editor and scroll down to the section titled Scripts. When button is touched is a good example of a trigger. Most objects in WHAM have at least one built-in trigger. If you tap on that, you'll have the option to add a scriptlet. A scriptlet is just a script that runs within another script. To add a new script, click on the green plus sign under the Scriptlets heading. You'll now see our entire script library. Just like a library full of books is organized by subjects like math and music, our script library is organized into groups based generally on the actions the scripts perform. For now, let's look at the script group, Movies, Maps, and Sounds. Tap to open this script group and scroll down to Play Sound. If you tap to select this script, you'll open a new dialog box which shows you the properties for the script. For instance, with Play Sound, we need to tell the program what sound we want to play. Click next to Sound, and you'll have the option of adding a sound from our app library or recording a new sound with your device's microphone. You can have as many scripts per trigger as you want. This just means that each trigger with more than one script will send more than one command to the program. Let's tap the green plus sign again to add a second script, this time from the Animation and Set Properties group. These scripts change the way objects look by changing their properties. Let's scroll through the Animation and Set Properties group and choose Set Angle. When we choose a script that changes the properties of an object, we'll need to tell the program what object we want to change and how we want to change it. First, we'll need to tell the program the type of object we want to change. Tap next to Object Type, and you'll see a list of all of the object types in WHAM. In this case, we want to choose Image. Next, we need to tell the program which image we want to change. Tap next to Object Name, and you'll see a list of all of the images on your page. This is why names are important. Last, we'll need to tell the program how we want to change the object. Since we chose the Set Angle script, the program knows we want to change the angle, but it doesn't know what angle we want to use. Tap next to Angle and slide the red bar to set the angle you want to use for the image. Tap Save.